In this video, we're going to look at section 8.2, which continues on the human organization. And whereas last time we looked at the different tissues, what we're going to do now is we will look at the different organ systems. So we will have a very brief overview of each of these organ systems, and as you can see from the diagram here, there's quite a few. So we have the integumentary system, we have the circulatory system, the lymphatic and immune system, digestive system, respiratory system, urinary system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, endocrine system, and reproductive system. So first of all, the integumentary system. So this includes skin, nails, hair, muscles that move, hairs, oil and sweat glands, blood vessels, and nerves leading to sensory receptors. So this protects the body, also receives sensory input, helps to control body temperature, and synthesizes vitamin D. Then the circulatory system, it includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood, and it transports blood, nutrients, gases, and waste, defends against disease, and of course helps control homeostasis. A parallel system with the circulatory system, one that we probably don't pay enough attention to, is the lymphatic system. And there are lymphatic vessels that run pretty much throughout the body, and most of the time we're really not aware of them until we get some kind of a sore throat or something, and then we feel the lymph nodes getting enlarged as the immune system becomes more active to fight off whatever bug that we're trying to get rid of. But it's actually a closed-ended system, and so what it does is it pretty much just absorbs things into it, and then ultimately it just empties eventually into the circulatory system. So it consists of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, lymphatic organs, and lymphocytes. It certainly helps control fluid balance. It absorbs fats and defends against infectious disease as well. Then the digestive system, this then would include the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the associated organs as well, like the teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. And of course, it ingests and digests food, absorbs the nutrients, and eliminates waste. Then we move on to the respiratory system, and this consists of the lungs and the tubes that take air to and from them. So it maintains breathing and exchanges gases at the lungs and tissues. Also helps control the pH balance, which, as we know, is extremely important for proper enzyme function. Then the urinary system includes the kidneys, urinary bladder, and the tubes that carry urine, and it excretes metabolic waste. This would be largely from the breakdown of proteins, where the nitrogenous wastes need to be eliminated, and that's generally what the purpose that this serves, where it would take the nitrogenous waste and then eventually convert that into urine, which is then excreted. Also, it helps control fluid balance as well, and pH balance. Nervous system then consists of the brain, spinal cord, and the associated nerves. So it receives a sensory input, and then it integrates and stores that input, and then it initiates motor output, and also helps coordinate all of the other organ systems as well. The musculoskeletal system, the skeletal system, obviously supports the body and protects the body parts, helps move the body, stores minerals as well. So um, although many of the minerals that are stored in the bones are needed for the strength of the bones, that can also be a source of minerals as well when the demand calls for greater minerals. They can be mobilized from bone. Also produces blood cells. The muscular system then, it maintains posture and moves the body and the internal organs and produces heat as well. The endocrine system consists of the hormonal glands, produces hormones obviously, and helps coordinate the organ systems, responds to stress, helps regulate fluid and pH balance, and helps regulate metabolism. The reproductive system then, in males, it consists of the testes and the ducts that conduct semen through the penis, and then with females then consists of the ovaries, oviducts, uterus, vagina, and the external genitalia. Produces gametes and transports those gametes, produces the sex hormones, and then nurtures and gives birth to offspring in females. So this is a very, very brief overview of the different systems in the body. And so this is, so here's a summary of the key terms that we just looked at and some of the key concepts.